All right, guys, we're back with snow event number 7, and this is a real snow event. We're going to measure how much snow we have. We are 4 inches deep. 4 inches deep on this snow event. Okay, I'm on lunch break. I got Tim Hortons. It's getting kind of dark out, so it's going to be a little bit harder to record. Alright guys, we just finished that one. Alright, this one's done. Alrighty, that one's done. On to the next. Alrighty guys, we're on to another new customer. So we got 4 new customers today. Let's do this one. On to the next one. Alrighty guys, we were just here yesterday. We're back again. Alrighty guys, this is our second last one. Alrighty guys, this one's done.